Hello, this is Dan Collins, part of the Digital Experience Technical Sales team, and today I'm going to tell you a story about Heather Reeves. Now, Heather Reeves is a young mother expecting a child. She wants to be financially ready for the baby. She wants to explore what her bank can offer her. Now, her bank has just changed to the digital experience or the digital interactions with their customers. And she goes to the website, she sees a beautiful website and stops here and says, here are events in your life and here's my event. I'm going to increase my family. So I'm going to take a look at that in just a moment. And I'm scrolling down just to see the rest of the pages. I see featured products. Okay, interesting. None of those featured products are something that I want to look at. And then I look at other applications available. So I scroll back up and decide, okay, let me click on increase my family. I go to this page, I see some beautiful content, and I see products specifically for me, like a pregnancy course, mortgage savings account. So I click back, because I'm going to come back to that, I decide. And then as I scroll down the front page, what you'll notice is that the products have changed on the front page. They are products specifically for my event, right? Increasing my family. What we saw in action was personalization by clicking, right? So I navigated to a page and then it showed me content that I was interested in. So the digital experience is a smart way to bank. So I decided I'm going to the banking page. I want to see what products are available online because as a newborn, I don't want to go out very often, and so I'm going to look at online services that I can use to interact with my banking software. So I see some nice content, and then I want to college plan. That sounds interesting to me. I think I'll do that because my baby will need to save for college, or at least I need to save for my baby. Okay, I see it's an application. And what I'm seeing here, the feature is a Forms Experience Builder form that I fill out. So I can click next and review this information. I can even have files that I can download for more information. I check the box and continue and fill out my application. This is great, but you know, I won't want to be at the computer very often during the newborn's first weeks of life. So I decide that maybe I should look at this site using my iPad. So I switch to my mobile browser simulator. It's a part of the digital experience where designers can take a look to see how it looks on a iPad, iPhone, or Android devices. Now what I'm seeing here is here's an iPad and I'm at my particular site that I went to find my online services. And I see my college savings plan, so I can fill that out from here. The form that I fill out looks good. Looks like it's adapted and responsive to my screen. And sometimes there's features that you can add specifically for the iPad. For example, I can sign my name with my finger in a form, and that would be specific to the iPad. So you can see here, I can see content that's adaptive and responsive. And I only have to create the content or application once, and it gets to be seen on all kinds of devices. That's why we call it a digital experience. Okay, the next thing I want to do is see about careers because I want to spend more time with my baby, and so I want to maybe switch my careers that's more interesting to me. So I'm going to my career website on this digital bank, and I see open jobs. That's what I'm interested in. And I see an open job in my area. So I click on the link and I see some of the details here. What you're seeing here is a script application connected using a digital data connector to a connector talent suite, which is IBM's talent software. And I can click on the details and fill out my application. Now this is a more interesting way to look for a job than seeing just a list of stuff. So you can see that I've had a great digital experience because I've had personalization by clicking, a terrific mobile experience with content and applications, and I can use my scripting application with the digital data connector to have an enhanced experience. Thank you.